So the chances are, if you've been doom scrolling on Temu like I do, then you've probably come across this item at some point. Now, it's one of those things that I often look at and wonder to myself, I wonder if they're any good. So I paid the princely sum of £13.22 for this item. And as all my Temu videos, there is literally no point in me giving you a link to the one that I've bought, because you will find so many listings with the same item on, and they all have so many different prices. But the one tip I would say, if you don't shop on Temu already, if you whack it in your basket and leave it there, I guarantee you'll get a voucher from Temu, and sometimes you can get items for like 15p, like this hoodie. And now it's time for the big reveal. So as you can see, this folds down nice and small, and the first thing you can see is that this version comes with a warning triangle, as yes, this storage table box is also a warning triangle, obviously. Although to be fair, this actually probably will be quite useful. So all you do to set this up is open it up and then lock these two sides in, and that's it. Now, I'm not sure how large I was expecting this to be. I think I was expecting something slightly larger. But thinking about it, for a car camper, actually the size works to its advantage. So in this mode, what you have is a storage box. It has two side access points and it will hold a lot of stuff. Now, it was at this point I realised that I could actually use this on car camps as a stool, because at present I use this one and it works perfectly, and I can use that to get onto the roof when I'm putting on my cameras. So this new one will take my body weight, it folds away nice and small, but it won't take my standing weight. So unfortunately I can't use it to access the roof, but I do like the idea of using this as a stool because it is slightly higher, and the fact that I can put stuff inside it means, well, I've got storage as well as a seat. Well, that's the stool and storage modes. Now it's time for the big reveal to see what the table is actually like. Well, this has two fold out sections that simply open like this. And on the underside of each table, you have three legs and they slot in here. Now, there is a slight design fault here, as when you put in this leg, well, it makes the table wonky. So all you need to do is don't put in that leg, and actually the table will sit flat, as long as the base of your car is flat, of course. Now, there are three ways you can use this table: both sides fully open, one fully open and one shut, or both sides half open. Now, stability wise, well, it ain't wonderful, but I think it's just about okay. Well, for £13 it ain't bad. And the last thing I want to show you is, if you have the table open fully, then the top here also comes out to allow even easier access. And oddly, they market this as a drinks tray. And being in the car with this item for the first time today, I've realised there's actually another use for it, and that is using it as a little flat table like this, which actually is how I use my current table. So it does have another practical use. And of course, if you open the side flaps like this, then you have even more flat space room. Well, overall, I think this item does just about squeak in as Temu treasure, and it is something you'll definitely see me using on my next car camp. But as always, I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, take care.